Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ravi again from Drive Time DIY. Today we are installing STI Mudflaps on my 2022 Subaru WRX. Let's get into the installation. These are the hardware that we got with the package. 4 STI Mudflaps, 2 for the front and 2 for the rear, and the remaining hardware. The website suggests that this particular STI Mudflaps model does not fit the 2022 model year. Not sure why. The website says this Mudflaps only fit starting from 23 model year. I would like to find out what's the difference and install them. Let's install the front driver's side one first. And there are 3 clips here behind the tire, and there's one over here which is a little bit hard to get to. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn the wheel towards driver's side to get enough space to work on. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, give these clips here about half a ton, and you can see it pops out. Do that to all of these. Just hold it tight in place in case if the whole clip turns along with the screwdriver. This is the last one. Just remove all the clips. Four clips. Using the 3 push clips provided with the mud flaps, align the 3 holes. Install. That's it. Just do the same with the other 3. Third one could be a little tricky. That's it. Let's just do the same thing on the other side. The front ones are installed. It was a pretty straightforward installation. Now let's get to the rear ones. Each of the rear mud flap is provided with this bracket that holds on to this bumper over here, and this is where the mud flap screws onto. Currently I have this rear spat installed. I have to remove this in order to install this bracket. This is how the bracket has to be installed, and I don't have a hole here. I need to drill one. There's a marker on this bumper already where I should be drilling, and if you see, a hole is already provided to the part on the inside, and a hole is not provided over here. Maybe the 2023 model WRXs have a hole already drilled, but I'm gonna have to drill this hole here. Get the one that says right hand RH on the bracket. We are installing the right side one, and this is how it's gonna look after we put the clips on. Let's put the clips on. With the 6 bolts provided, there are 6 screw inserts, 2 of a kind and 4 of another kind. I believe this one with a nut in this plastic holder might go on to this holder that we just installed. I'm gonna show you where to put these on in a minute. Grab one of these screw inserts and install it onto the bracket like this. Be careful that this is just a plastic thing with a nut in it, so be careful while handling this. I'm installing this clip first so that the mud flap will stay in place. Install the screw insert onto the bracket here and provided bolt on the other side. Tighten it until snug. We need a screw over here and the other one over here, but we don't have holes provided. So we're gonna have to drill holes. I'm making some marks. I know I don't have enough space here, but I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna make some marks using the screwdriver. Two inserts like this. Insert one down here where we just drill a hole, and the other one on the top. This is also the hole that we just drilled. Tighten these bolts here using a 8mm wrench. There is another hole here on the bracket which needs to be drilled. I almost forgot it. Okay, missed it. This is the final clip, and that's how we end the install of STI mud flaps. The install turned out pretty good on all four sides, matching with the JDM STI cherry red accents that I have all around, along with the mirror caps. I was finally able to install the 2023 plus STI red mud flaps on my 22 Subaru WRX after some modifications like drilling. Don't forget to like and let me know in the comments how it looks.